What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all doing well and hope you're all having an awesome day. So a quick one here on net gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas as usual. So what do we have right here? As mentioned in my last video, I've clearly said that price has now broken below the zone and now likely to push up, retest the zone here, and price is now in the process of a pullback. So at this point, if you look at this bearish engulfer, I'm not looking this as an entry condition. We have a different situation on currency.com. I'm going to go through it in a very short while, but at this point I'm still looking at a bearish pressure. But for the entry condition here on Wanda, if a price open with one more green candle followed by a bearish engulfer, in that case we have a very good sell confirmation. So overall the price is still bearish and now pushing down, making new lower lows. This is just a process of a pullback. It can still retest the zone again and then fall with the bearish engulfer. So the way I look for my entries is with either one green candle, red candle, or with the retest of this zone and a pullback. So this is what I'm looking at for net gas, expecting some pullback from here. Let's check on currency.com. As you can see, the price is now in this area of value, looking at this bearish engulfer. That is one of the entry condition. But like I said, I want to see a good momentum before the price come back and retest this zone. That is something I call a strong entry reason, but that also looks fine to me for a bearish push down. So expecting a push down from here, but if a price continues to push up, retest the upper level of this zone, which is 2.721, in that case I will still go for short trade. So now we have a new zones here on Wanda. I've already mentioned, I've already emailed members yesterday in case you missed it. Just for an update, right here we have a new zone, a trend continuation zone that is above the price, which is 2.116 goes up to 2.181, and we have a support zone, a new zone marked right here, which is 1.818 goes up to 1.957. This is the zone from where we will look for condition for sell and conditions for buy. That is the zone here on Wanda. And on currency.com we have a zone above which is 2.164 goes up to 2.227. That is our trend continuation zone for the retest and sell. And then we have 1.922 goes up to 2.039. This is the zone from where we will look for buy condition. If we have a push down for a buy, pull back up for a sell at this area of value. Let's check gold. Right, so gold is now still above the level of trend continuation zone. I'm still looking for buy confirmation. At this point we can still get a push down within this zone followed by a bullish engulfer. Once that happens, I'm gonna go long with that. Once we have a condition, only then I will enter my trade. If the price continues to push up and hit this next level of resistance 19, which is 1990.9339, goes up to 2005.50. If the price hit this zone, I will enter my sell trade from this area with bearish engulfers or my double top entry pattern. So keep an eye here. I'm still looking for the buy confirmation from this area of value. Sell only here at this zone, or the price dramatically falls. Then in that case, I will start to look for my sell trades. Let's check silver. Silver is pushing up very slowly and still pushing up. So if the price continues to push up, then like I mentioned yesterday, the zone above is 24.01 goes up to 24.39. This is the zone from where you can enter your sell counter trades, bearish engulfers or with double top entry patterns. So before that, I'm only looking for buying confirmation. Price can pull back, hit 50 EMA and then push up again. That is what I'm expecting out of silver. Let's see for the next buy trade. I want to see a break and close above this high, pull back and then push up. Let's check crude oil. So like I mentioned yesterday, crude oil is still bullish and price is now pushing up. As you can see, we have a 20 EMA cross. Since then the price is now pushing up. It's above the support area and all the condition looking bullish, looks bullish to me. We have a next weekly zone, a very major area of value. This is a weekly zone. If you want to plot these on your charts with the power of editing, we have a new zone here. So you want to plot these on your chart. That's a weekly and daily time frames. Looks a very good zone for a counter trade, which is 80.74 goes up to 84.59, from where you can look for your sell condition. For now, I'm only looking for buy condition followed by a pullback. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any question, any confusions, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.